Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a very nice fish, and you can see from the drawing. Let's start the drawing from the left side. Okay. So you can see the details I am doing right now to the body. Few parts which you can see in the bottom and in the top. These are the essentials to draw the characteristics of different fishes. So the types of body is different. After the outline, we're going to put another details like this. These are the few legs and the harder part in the tails. Let's rotate the canvas a little bit. All right. Also put some straight legs, So the details for the other parts, it's look like this. Now we are going to put the shades using the dark pencil. So let's start it from the back. This is the tail, so we are putting the dark shades in the tail. All right. Some shades are darker at one side, and this is becoming lighter and the other sides. That's why we're putting the variations of shades and the depth of the shades from one side to the another side. So let's make this darker. Also, we are putting shades on the bottom part of this drawing. And also this one. As you know, the head is little darker than the whole body. It has a very small head, and we're going to make outline on the few parts. Usually it has a little bit white tone for the whole body. Let's put few darker colors along with these dotted lines you can see. So few items left at the bottom. All right, now we are going to elaborate the drawing, making it more nice by putting the smooth transitions of the shades from the darkness to the brightness. And let's draw it with the pencil, the whole body from the left to the right, as you can see. So for the head, let's put a more darker tone, the whole body. Yeah, that's how the fish is going to look very nice. Let's run the same shade to the whole body to the end. You can see it. And for the top, we're going to put another stops. All right. Little bit elaboration in this point, and on the top too. Okay, so yeah, this is almost done. So I hope you like the video. Keep watching and follow all the instructions. As you know that I'm going to show that this fish is just swimming in the water. That's why I'm going to put few blue color, with the crayon, to show the fish is swimming in the water. All right. For the drawing, you need to have the passion. That's how you are going to draw better and better. I can say for myself, I really like it. I love it. I like the drawing. So that's why I'm doing all the stuffs. I feel nice. I feel good actually. This is life. You can do whatever you like. So selection is yours. As you see the drawing, it looks better. The fish. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. As you like the videos, please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates every time we upload the new videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.